Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. 1. Which of the following is not a characteristic of living organisms? A. Metabolism. B. Growth. C. Adaptation. D. Virus-like behavior. Answer: D. Virus-like behavior. Explanation: Viruses are considered on the borderline of living and non-living. They exhibit some characteristics of life only when inside a host. Other options, such as metabolism, growth, and adaptation, are universal characteristics of living organisms. 2. Who proposed the binomial nomenclature system of naming organisms? A. Charles Darwin. B. Aristotle. C. Carolus Linnaeus. D. Robert Whittaker. Answer: C. Carolus Linnaeus. Explanation: The binomial nomenclature system was proposed by Carl Linnaeus, and it is still used today for scientifically naming organisms. This system gives each species a two-part Latin name consisting of the genus and species. 3. The scientific name of an organism consists of A. Genus and species. B. Order and family. C. Phylum and class. D. Kingdom and order. Answer: A. Genus and species. Explanation: According to binomial nomenclature, the scientific name of an organism is made up of two parts, the genus name, capitalized, and the species name, in lowercase. For example, Homo sapiens for humans. 4. Which one of the following is an example of a prokaryote? A. Fungi. B. Algae. C. Protozoa. D. Cyanobacteria. Answer: D. Cyanobacteria. Explanation: Cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae, are photosynthetic prokaryotes. They lack a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, distinguishing them from eukaryotic organisms like fungi, algae, and protozoa. 5. In the five-kingdom classification, unicellular eukaryotic organisms are placed under A. Monera. B. Protista. C. Fungi. D. Plantae. Answer: B. Protista. Explanation: The kingdom Protista includes all unicellular eukaryotic organisms. These organisms may exhibit characteristics of plants, animals, or fungi, but they do not fit into those kingdoms due to their unicellular structure. 6. Which of the following is an incorrect match of the taxonomic category? A. Phylum Chordata. B. Class Mammalia. C. Order Primata. D. Family Homo. Answer: D. Family Homo. Explanation: Homo is the genus, not the family. The correct family for humans is Hominidae. The taxonomic hierarchy includes genus and family as separate categories, with Homo being part of the family Hominidae. 7. The term taxonomy refers to A. The study of ecosystems. B. Classification and naming of organisms. C. The study of genes and heredity. D. The study of fossils. Answer: B. Classification and naming of organisms. Explanation: Taxonomy is the branch of science that deals with the classification, naming, and identification of organisms. It organizes organisms into groups based on shared characteristics. 8. Which of the following kingdoms contains autotrophic organisms? A. Fungi. B. Animalia. C. Protista. D. Monera. Answer: C. Protista. Explanation: Kingdom Protista includes autotrophic organisms like algae, which are capable of photosynthesis. Monera also contains autotrophic organisms, such as cyanobacteria, but most fungi and animals are heterotrophic. 9. Which of the following scientists proposed the five-kingdom classification? A. Robert Hooke. B. Ernst Haeckel. C. Carl Woese. D. Robert Whittaker. Answer D. Robert Whittaker. Explanation: Robert Whittaker proposed the five-kingdom classification system, which divides organisms into Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and Animalia based on characteristics such as cell structure and nutrition. 10. Which of the following organisms is classified under the kingdom Monera? A. Amoeba. B. Palamecium. C. Streptococcus. D. Volvox. Answer: C. Streptococcus. Explanation: Streptococcus is a bacterium which belongs to the kingdom Monera. Monera includes all prokaryotic organisms, like bacteria, that lack a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.